like these.
Halo kajing yakhi kipat ba persya kajing jabo ke ring mensiam ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ke hukum ya kajing Khang Khyrdep ya ki Enriutli ki Karkhana Byrnihat namar ba ki Pynkhein ki Kyndon by David Kamariang. Kham haswa ke ni ke board ke pelong ya kajing jurep kensan ha ke por miet ha ka khat lai mer tamul kuchi ban lap ya ki Karkhana ki batrai kam ki Pynkhein ki Kyndon by David kajing penjabo ikel air. Ladang kuna saulak tingkai Tylli Karkhana kata ke Shah Century Ferro Alloy Private Limited but alak tingkai ke KHASI Alloy Limited. Onyai pelong ya kijing jurep baken san man la kapor hakeleng kajela.
The reason for receiving closure notice is non-operational pollution control device and non-transmission of online continuous emission monitoring system and the exceedance of the pollution limit obtained from the online continuous emission monitoring system and inefficiency of pollution control device installed. These are the reasons we have issued earlier and they have not complied, and based on that we have issued closure notice. Now it has been closed.
Nakapor sa kapor ngi ay complain ngi brew ngi sinong jog ka Byrnihat bagi ang ba por meet kini ki industries ki penmi ngi tedam te hadin bagi la inspection nadok ar pusau trek jong January nila yo ban bat kini ki industries ma ki ba penmi tedam ka por meet por skiro nila pa khang ro benta ka ski brew trek industries maka jing trelang ba ka office jong deputy commissioner Byrnihat district nila pa khang kini ki industries ki ba kateng Shah Century Ferro Alloy Private Limited ka KHASI Alloy Limited ka Nalari Ferro Alloy Limited Pawan Casting FW Ferro SR Bioproduct Private Limited.